Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to delete all your YouTube activity like search and history with a single click. For this you have to search on Google My Activity in Google, as you can see in the video. After that you have to open Google Activity and log into your Google account. As I have already logged into my Google account, that's why it is not showing any login. If you are first to this website, you have to log into your Google account. It will show you all your activities on all other websites like you see in this video. If you visit that website using your Google account, you can see here. If you want to delete your all YouTube recent activity like search and history, you have to click on activity controls. In activity controls you can easily find all your activities like YouTube activities and also location history. For example, if you want to delete your YouTube history, you have to click on auto delete option. If you want to delete all your recent activities like from previous 36 months, or you can choose from any other options. If you want to delete of your previous months, after clicking on auto delete activity and clicking on next, you have to confirm it if you want to delete your all YouTube recent activity. After clicking on confirm, you will delete all your YouTube recent activities like search history and all other YouTube's history, as you can see in this video. If you click on confirm, you can delete all your YouTube history and search history. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.